there, I'm Ange, and this is my review of this remineralizing gum, and I want to thank Dentagum for sending it to me to try. Are you aware that 96% of your teeth and about 65% of your bones are made of hydroxyapatite? Maybe you've never even heard of it. It's a very hard substance. Our enamel is made out of it, and of course when we start to get cavities, those little microscopic holes, we need to fill those in, and Nano-Hydroxyapatite can do just that. Two other key ingredients in this gum are erythritol and xylitol, and what they do is neutralize the acids in our mouth that can lead to cavities and build up plaque. These are made out of, they have tree resins. Resins have been used for thousands of years to chew on and to keep mouth clean, and they're full of natural flavors like menthol, a eucalyptus derivative. They're completely plant-based, and see what they taste like. It's really good. It's not soft and sticky, stretchy like regular gum. It's more, definitely give you more of a workout with your jaw, which is also good. It's got a really fresh mint flavor. And they recommend chewing these daily. So they're just a terrific way to help your oral health. We go to a natural dentist and he highly recommends the ingredients that are in this gum. So it comes with 60 pieces in the package. It's really good. They say to use it for 3 months. Sorry. Because of course, what damage you've done in your teeth over years isn't going to be repaired overnight, so it's worth sticking to it. Definitely love this product. These are ingredients I can stand behind. It also has bentonite clay, which we know is great for removing toxins. It has coconut oil, spearmint, activated charcoal. It has natural propolis, which is something that bees use that is highly antimicrobial, antibacterial. So these are just fantastic ingredients in this gum. So I hope that helps. Have a great day.